Welcome to this guided meditation for self compassion. I invite you to find a comfortable and quiet space where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a few luxurious deep breaths. And allow yourself to let go of any tension or stress. Today, we will focus on cultivating kindness and understanding toward yourself. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nostrils, allowing your lungs to fill with air, and hold it for a moment. And then exhale through your mouth. Repeat this a few times, feeling the gentle rhythm of your breath. Let each breath anchor you to the present moment. Now bring to mind any thoughts that have been weighing on you. And without judgment, acknowledge them. Recognize that it's okay to feel the way you do. Emotions are a natural part of the human experience. Imagine a warm, soft light surrounding you. This light is pure compassion, and as it envelops you, feel a sense of warmth and gentleness. Visualize this light expanding with each breath. It spreads throughout your body and soothes any areas of tension or discomfort. Repeat the following affirmations to yourself. I am deserving of love and compassion. I acknowledge my struggles without judgment. I am doing the best I can in this moment. I forgive myself for any mistakes or shortcomings. I am worthy of kindness, especially from myself. As you continue to breathe, focus on the inhales and exhales with compassion. With each breath, repeat the phrase as you inhale, I am worthy, and as you exhale, I am enough. Extend your compassion beyond yourself, and I invite you to envision someone you care about. It could be a friend, a family member, even a precious pet. Wish them well, saying, "May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be at ease." Now bring that happy focus back to yourself and say, "May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be at ease." Allow the sense of self-compassion to linger and bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and your toes while you open your eyes. Inhale your arms up over your head, and as you exhale, wrap them around each other in a tight, tight hug. And take a moment to thank yourself for this intentional practice of self-kindness. Remember, cultivating self-compassion is an ongoing journey. I encourage you to be patient with yourself and carry this sense of warmth and understanding with you as you go on about your day.